You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Actor and movie producer Afeez Owo posted an image on social media of the late actress Folake Aremu, also known as Orisabunmi's corpse, and that act got him into trouble with some of his fans. The veteran actress reportedly died on Tuesday night at 11 p.m. after a brief illness. Afeez Owo's followers found it quite offensive after he shared a photo of her corpse in a coffin. Itemitope, while responding to Captain Ade, wrote,
Aliu, how are you?